Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just right click here in this bar and then click task manager, and now once you're here click once you're here you will find it like that. Then just click memory and close all the applications that you don't need like Google Chrome and click end task. And after that just go to settings and go to privacy, scroll down and click background apps. Now you will find it like that. Just turn off this one, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.